Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous lecture, we have done question number 4, 5, 6. Question number I have done question number 4 and 6, and question number 5 was your homework. So today we will start from question number 7 in exercise 1.3. Question number 7 is find x, y, z and w if. We will find x, y and z. X, y, z and w. If we have 3 into x, y, z, w is equal to x 6 minus 1, 2w plus 4x plus y, 3 plus w and 3. So let's start solution. Solution is, we will write given all the matrices 3 x, y, z, w is equal to x 6 minus 1, 2w plus 4x plus y, 3 plus w and 3. First of all, we multiply all the elements of this matrix. So 3 multiplied by x equal to 3x, 3y, 3z and 3w equal to, now we will add this matrices. First elements add to first, second elements to second, third elements add to third and fourth elements add to fourth. This is the process of addition. Equal to x plus 4, x plus 4 plus 6. You will be write first variable and second or third write constant. So this is the, you will be write in arranging form, x plus y plus 6, 3 plus w minus 1. So first of all you write w plus 3 minus 1. So this will be make 3 minus 1. You will be write 3 minus 1, 2. 2w plus 3. Now you will be comparing the corresponding elements. It means that first element equal to first, second element equal to second, this third elements equal to third, this, and fourth elements equal to 4. You will take first element first, second, third, and fourth equal. Now we have question comparing. We will find x, y, w and z from this equation. Okay. We will be shift x left side. Here is plus. When we shift other side, this will be make minus. 3 minus x and is equal to 4. 3x minus x is equal to 2x is equal to 4. Now we divide 2 on both sides because we require x. So divide 2 on both sides. Here is 2 with 2 cancel and 2 divided by 4. 2 2 is 4. X is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Now we find y. Second element equal to second. 3y, y convert to other side, shift to other side, 3y minus y, x plus 6. Now we put the value of x. The value of x is 2. 3y minus y is equal to 2y, equal to, put the value of x, x is equal to 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, dividing 2 on both sides, divide 2 and divide 2, this is cancel, and 2 cancel with 2, and 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, y is equal to 4. So the value of y is 4. Now we take fourth element, because we have only one variable in this equation. So first of all you will be find w from this equation, and then put w, the value of w is put in equation number 3. So because if we take third equation, so here is two variable, one is z and second is w. So we can't find any value of variable. We count the value of z or w, find. So for this purpose we take 2w plus 3 equal to 3w. So 3w is equal to 2w minus 3, 2w shift to other side, minus 2w is equal to minus 3, 3w minus 2w is equal to w is equal to, sorry, this is plus 3. So 2w shift to other side, 3w minus 2w is equal to w is equal to 3. So the value of w is 3. Now we put the value of w in third equation, or third element equal to third element, 3z is 3z equal to w plus 2, 3z is equal to w plus 2, put w is equal to plus 3, 3z is equal to 3 plus 3, so 3 plus 2, 5, dividing 3 on both sides, dividing by 3 and divide by 3, z is equal to 5 by 3. So thus x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, w is equal to 3, and z is equal to 5 by 3. This is your answer. And question number 8 is we will find question number 8. This is also same as question number 7. Question number 8, find x and y f x plus y is equal to 5209 and x minus y is equal to 360 minus 1. Okay. Solution. We have x plus y is equal to, given is that x plus y is equal to 5209 and x minus y is equal to 360 minus 1. What is required? Required is find the value of x and y. Sorry, capital X and capital Y. So we will add 1 and 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Add 1 and 2. X plus y minus x. X plus y, x minus y. Add 1 and 2. So left side add to left and right add to right. 5209 plus 360 minus 1. This is plus 5 and this is minus. So this will be cancelled. X and x, 2x. First element add to first, second add to second, third add to third, and last add to last. 8 0 8. Dividing 2 on both sides. This 2 divide all the element of this matrix. Mean 8 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. That implies that x is equal to 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8. 4 4 0 and 4. Now put the value of x in 1. We will put the value of x in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is that x, what is the value of x? X is 4404 plus y is equal to 5209. Shift this matrix to other side. So this is in plus. When we shift to other side, this will make minus 4404. 5. First element subtract to first, second to second, third to third, and fourth to fourth. 2 minus 4, 0 minus 0, 9 minus 4. Y is equal to 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 4, minus 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 4, 5. This is the value of y and this is the value of x, which is required. Okay? Now we have question number 9, and in this question we have 3 parts. So I will I will do first part and two last part is your homework. You will do it. Question number 9. Let A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 2, 5 minus 1, 3. And C is equal to 3 minus 1, 0, 4. If small c is equal to 2 and small d is equal to minus 4, then verify. 1 नंबर क्या है? c प्लस d. आप लोगों ने a सी ए प्लस बी ए, ये क्वेश्चन उर्दू में समझा देता हूं, इंग्लिश में भी समझा देता हूं, फिर आप लोग इसको सॉल्व करेंगे कि कैसे आप लोगों ने इसको सॉल्व करना है। सही है? इसका ये आप लोगों का होमवर्क है। I am doing question number 2, part number 2, sorry, in question number 9. 2 part is C into A plus B is equal to CA plus CB. And question number 1 is your homework and question number 3 is also your homework. Very easy and same solution. Take left hand side C A plus B. C is small c. Small c, the value of small c is A. Put the values. 2. A matrix is this. 2 minus 3, 4 and 5. Plus B matrix is this. 2, 5 minus 1, 3. You will be right in NEET ka be given, then a solution, then given required, and after it you will be start solution. I am doing direct, okay? CA plus B, add first element to first, second to second, third to third. And 5 plus 3. CA plus B, 2. I have already explained addition and subtraction. 2 plus 2, 4. 2, 3 and 8. 2 multiplying all the elements of this matrix. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. This is your right hand side. Now we will find right hand side. Take right hand side. CA is equal to CA plus CB. CA plus CB is equal to C is 2 and A matrix is this 2 minus 3, 4 and 5 plus B is this 2, 5 minus 1 and 3. CA plus CB, 2 2s are 4 minus 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 minus 2 or 5 3s are sorry 2 3s are 6. Four plus 4, add first element to first, second to second, third to third and fourth to fourth. Minus 6 plus 10, 8 minus 2 and 10 plus 6. CA plus CB, 8, 4, 6 and 16. So left hand side is 8, 4, 6 and 16 and right hand side is left hand side is 8, 4, 6 and 16 and right hand side is also 8, 4, 6 and 16. So left hand side is equal to right hand side and this is proved. Okay, I have done question number 7, 8 and 9. In question number 9 we have 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. I have done part number 3 and you will be done in neat copy part number 1 and 3. This all is your practice and you will be question number 1 and 3 and this is your homework. Okay, I will check soon. Thank you.